like you are sneezing and coughing again. Got a remedy for that. So stay tuned. Remember to subscribe. Support our page. Food fixes, bananas and honey. Look like you got some really ripe bananas. You could use them though. Yeah. So we're gonna have our concoction. Got water, raw and unfiltered honey, and we got those bananas. Good. That's perfect. And you got your container to use to put your stuff in. Let's check out the benefits of bananas. Bananas are a good source of vitamin C first, and it boosts your mood and energy. The antioxidants from the bananas facilitate the release of dopamine, which is another feel-good chemical in the brain. It can be also beneficial for your mental health or as your physical. It raises your immune system to help you fight off common infections such as colds and flus. The more ripe the banana, the more it can help in this area. Benefits of honey. Honey, it helps fight coughs. Whether you're suffering from a dry or wet cough, honey can help reduce that irritation as well as pain and discomfort. Helps with allergies. Honey has various anti-inflammatory characteristics that fight allergy symptoms. It naturally helps protect against specific allergens in a way like a vaccine because it contains traces of pollen. Just like the banana, it boosts your energy. So you have double the energy, and you will need that energy when you have a cold or you're getting a cold. So now we're off to the good part. We're blending this mixture. So if you don't have a blender, you can also use a fork and mash the banana into the mixture. And just make sure you mash it well so, it can look syrupy. And there you have it. Look, there's a disclaimer. Now, if you're allergic to honey, don't use it, okay? But otherwise, this is a good concoction for your coughing purposes. Now let's try it. Good, right? Yeah. Get you another one. Yeah. So we got your honey and banana syrup. Have a good one. Meanwhile, I'm over here struggling trying to spell the word banana. I had to do a song in my head. This is bananas, B-A-N-A-N-A-S. This is bananas, B-A-N-A-N-A-S. You know that song by Gwen Stefani. But yeah, that was a struggle. So I got these bananas left so I could use it as a smoothie for my smoothie. And yeah, those are the type of bananas you want to put in your smoothie so they could give you those same type of benefits. So that's another tip. That's another video. But anyway, if you like this content, please give us hit that subscribe button. Follow us on Instagram at EM Food Friends. And stay breezy, stay easy. And I'm going out. Have a good one. Thank you for watching.